Mr. Mayor, Professor Rajdi Saab, Dr. Khan, obviously we are here today to welcome our honorable guests from Pakistan, Professor Dr. Rajdi. Obviously, Dr. Ahmed Ali Khan will give a bit more details about the work that Dr. Rajdi is doing in Karachi University. I just would like to simply say that it's an honor for us because this area is one of the largest Pakistani community in the country, if not the largest, but certainly one of the largest. We are very fortunate that we have this council chamber being made available through your kindness, Mr. Mayor, and obviously the councillors. And we are proud of our life here. We're proud of our contribution in this country and in this particular society. Many of our people are in the higher echelon of the political and business life here and making contributions in their entire life. They've been contributing that, so we are very, very happy to do that. Today's obviously event has been jointly organized by both the International Health Foundation, which Professor Dr. Ahmed Ali Khan presides, and that has been going for many, many years and has done tremendous work. Dr. Ahmed Ali Khan is a well-known psychologist, and he has, to his credit, he's very shy and very private kind of person, but you would be surprised that he has done hundreds of video recordings of people who are mentally ill throughout the world. He has written books. His book on, I think, plants, and it has been well read and very well used as a research. And obviously his contribution both in here and in Pakistan has been tremendous. And obviously Dr. Rajdi is also a well-known figure, and I'm sure that Dr. Khan will do more credit to his life when he will speak. And the other partner in this one is the Authorized Pakistani Community Forum. That was set up some years ago to bring together the Pakistani community here. And I will, before I ask Mr. Amjad Mirza, who is the General Secretary and one of the founding, what we call the fathers of that organization, to say, can I just sort of, for the, what they call it, the housekeeping, is that I saw one or two people wandering in the corridor looking for bathroom and so on. If you go out in the corridor, turn right, at the end it is for gents, and if you go on the left, it is for ladies. And if for any reason alarm goes, fire alarm goes, we are to assemble outside in the main sort of around where the water pond is. Is that right? Councillor? Absolutely. Yes. And we plan to finish this sort of proceeding by 9 o'clock, and we'll have some light refreshment. Hopefully they're here by that time. And so it's, I'm sure we'll finish well before that because we don't have long speeches or anything like that. And if time allows, maybe one or two people maybe should make some contribution that relevant to the topic and with permission of the Mayor, who's chairing this function. So may I ask Mr. Amjad Mirza just to say a few words about the Pakistan Community Forum, and also maybe if he has some point, the point as well, apart from the newspaper man, to just cite a small. Thank you very much.